Earlier this year, Belgian video effects specialist Chris Yumi created a series of Tom Cruise videos which he posted on TikTok. This created a viral storm as his videos clearly demonstrated how far the technology had advanced. Since this event, parts of the popular media has contended that these videos should be suppressed. I suggest otherwise.
Congratulations, how does it feel to be an All-American?
It's an honor, sir.
Congratulations, how does it feel to be an All-American?
Very good, sir.
Congratulations, how does it feel to be an All-American?
Very good, sir.
Congratulations, how do you feel?
I gotta pay.
I believe he said he had to go pee.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. Fate has ordained that the men who went to the moon to explore in peace will stay on the moon to rest in peace. These brave men, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, know that there is no hope for their recovery. But they also know that there is hope for mankind in their sacrifice.
The reality is that deepfake video has been with us for some time. There's also multiple mobile apps that allow anyone to create their own deepfake videos.
Oh my God. I think there's bubblegum inside this. That's incredible. How come nobody ever told me there's bubblegum? Incredible. Oh yeah.
What we are witnessing is the evolution of a new genre of software. Just as Photoshop pioneered the concept of photo manipulation some 20 years ago, we're now seeing a new wave of applications that extends the envelope in video and audio manipulation. While deepfakes have been painted in a negative light, they also have many positive uses. Deepfakes can help an educator deliver innovative lessons that are far more engaging than traditional visual and media formats. As an example, JFK's resolution to end the Cold War speech, which was never delivered, was recreated using synthetic voice with his voice and speaking style to get students to learn about the issue in a new and creative way.
In a world of complex and continuing problems, in a world full of frustrations and irritations, America's leadership must be guided by the lights of learning and reason.
The recent Hollywood film The Irishman saw actor Robert De Niro digitally de-aged to appear 30 years younger. While across in St. Petersburg, Florida, the Dali Museum created an exhibition where surrealist painter Salvador Dali is brought back to life. They even included the section in the exhibition where it was possible to take a selfie with Dali and receive the completed picture on your own phone. From the UK, football star David Beckham was tapped to be the frontman for the Malaria is No More campaign. A synthetic voiceover was used to present the campaign message in 9 foreign languages.
تقتل طفلا كل دقيقتين. Mais nous pouvons y mettre fin. Nous savons comment, nous en avons la possibilité.
And pushing the envelope even further, we now have Lil Maquila, a robot influencer with over 3 million followers on social media.
I don't need to say his name because if you've been lurking my grid, you probably know.
My quick take on deepfakes is that they can have a positive impact on our lives. Deepfakes are synthetic media. They offer new ideas for art, personal expression, public safety, accessibility, and business. Our challenge is to learn to discern what is real and what is fake, skills that we all need to develop if we're to better navigate today's modern media world.